Hello, here is a baby cap I made. This is a different style pattern. You see this diagonal stitch. That's what making it unique. So let us start making this type of hat. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver yarn and a 5mm hook. So make a magic circle and we are going to make 12 double crochet in the magic circle. To begin, we make a chain 3, which is considered as a double crochet. Then we are making 11 double crochets to finish the 12 double crochets. The second round will start with the three chains, and in every stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet. So instead of joining fully here, I'm going to get my next color in right here. Then one more double crochet in the same stitch. Then 2 double crochet in each of the stitch. We will have 24 double crochet at the end of this row. Now we finished the second row and we are going to start the third row. Here we are going to chain 3. Then in the second one we are going to increase, so 2 double crochet. At the end of this row we will have 36 double crochets. Now let us measure the crown width. It is 4. So since this is a little bit of stretchy, I'm going to finish off with that one, and I'm not going to increase anymore. This will be enough to fit for a 0 to 3 months old baby. So let us make 3 double crochets in this stitch. No, we are going to make a one row of a single crochet. So chain 1, single crochet all across. Now we finished that a single crochet round and joined with a slip stitch. Now I'm going to chain 3 and make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. Now I'm going to skip the next 2 stitches, and on the third stitch I'm going to make another 3 double crochet. I'm going to repeat this one. So 3 double crochet, skip 2 stitches, then make 3 double crochet. Repeat till the end of this row. Now we are going to join the yellow and chain 1 and make a single crochet all across. So we finish the single crochet round with the 36 single crochet, then slip stitch to join, then make a chain 3, then make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Then we are going to drop a stitch. We are going to drop it to the space between the two white clusters. Bring it to the height and do a double crochet. Then skip 2 stitches. On the third one we are going to make another 2 double crochet and a dropped stitch. I show you one more time. We are going to skip the next 2. Then in here we are going to make a 2 double crochet, yarn over, and bring up a loop. We are between these 2 clusters. Then skip the next 2, go to the third one and make 2 more. Now we finish that dropped stitch row and slip stitch to join, or we can just get the white color and join it at the slip stitch itself. Then make a chain 1, which is not considered as a stitch, so going to make single crochet all across. I placed a stitch marker in the first single crochet. Then I'm going to finish all the single crochets in this row, that is 36 single crochets. Then we will repeat the stitch pattern again, like dropped stitches. So this 1 row 2 row repeat pattern is nice to create a nice baby beanie. If you like to make the hat for bigger sizes, just increase the crown size. We did up to 3rd row, that is 36. In the 4th row we will have a 48, and 5th row we will have 60 stitches and so on. Then measure the width you really needed, then you start the pattern like this one. Now I just cut off the yarn and weave the yarn tails. Now this is a finished beanie. If you want to make it in different sizes, adjust the crown size. Here we made 1, 2, 3 rounds. If you needed to make it bigger, make 4, 5, 6 rounds for the crown, and check the crown diameter. And you can find crocheted heart sizes by searching on Google. You will find it. If you need help, I will put up the chart in my description. Please let me know.